This Panasonic OmniMovie VHS recorder PV-320D is the perfect addition to your vintage electronics collection. With the ability to play and record VHS tapes, this recorder is a must-have for any video enthusiast. The brand is well known for its high-quality electronics, and this model in particular is a favorite among collectors. The PV-320D is a versatile piece of equipment that can handle a variety of playable media. It's ideal for those who want to watch their old VHS tapes or record new ones. Whether you're a professional videographer or just someone who wants to enjoy their vintage video collection, this recorder is sure to meet your needs.